Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Roblox avatar kawaii. To begin, focus on soft aesthetics. Kawaii, meaning cute in Japanese, emphasizes adorable, charming, and often childlike appearances. Your goal is to create a character that evokes warmth and sweetness. Think about pastel color palettes, gentle expressions, and playful accessories. We'll explore how to select the perfect elements to transform your avatar into an irresistibly cute persona, making it stand out in any Roblox experience. Next, let's dive into clothing and hair. Opt for pastel shades like baby pink, sky blue, lavender, or mint green. Look for oversized sweaters, frilly skirts, or cute dresses with simple patterns like polka dots or small hearts. For hair, choose styles that are soft and voluminous, such as pigtails, braids, or buns with bangs. These choices form the foundation of your kawaii look, giving your avatar a gentle and approachable vibe that is undeniably charming. Now, let's add those essential details with accessories and faces. Select adorable accessories like animal ears, bows, ribbons, or small plushy companions. Consider items that float around your avatar or sit gently on its head. For faces, pick options with large, sparkling eyes and a soft, innocent smile. Avoid harsh or overly expressive features. These small additions, perhaps 2 or 3 carefully chosen items, significantly enhance the overall cuteness, bringing your kawaii vision to life. Finally, complete your kawaii transformation with the right emotes and animations. Choose emotes that convey sweetness and playfulness, such as gentle waves, shy blushes, or happy dances. Avoid aggressive or overly energetic movements. Look for idle animations that give your avatar a soft bounce or a subtle, charming pose. These movements, combined with your carefully selected appearance, will make your avatar not just look kawaii, but also act the part, radiating cuteness in every interaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.